The Mighty Mule Gate Opener is installed and works great, but sometimes I find I'm at the gate and, oops, no opener. There are wireless keypads people use for this, but I really don't want something else with batteries, and I don't want another pin to remember and share. So, in the installation manual is a section called Connecting Accessories. Here is the simple solution, a push-button control. Now to the web to order a few push-button switches.
Can we get the package? Good job.
Amazing what you can buy for under $10. And here they are. Waterproof, tactile, no battery, no code. Perfect. Button number 1 goes outside the gate near the latch. Well, it wouldn't be an outside task if there wasn't any digging. Button number 2 goes on the post that was originally used to chain the gate open. And button number 3, surprisingly the one I use the most. This one is in the shop, and when someone stops by, it's at my fingertips. Looks like my son stopped by to say hi to the dogs. Whiskey is all about visits and treats. Come on, Whisk, let's see you spin.